Plenty of talk about winter weather coming up this week, and sure enough it is on its way, starting from the north tonight over Scotland. But looking at the highest temperatures today, we saw 10 degrees in Plymouth under cloudy skies and 9 degrees in many other parts of the country, mainly in the southwest, apart from the notable exception of Garstang in Lancashire. Low temperatures overnight, Roberton in Scotland got to -7, as did Bathgate and Stobo, generally in the Borders area, and Dumfries and Galloway, -6 in a few areas further north. So looking at what the current warnings are right now on our dashboard here, winter weather warnings there in a couple of locations, mainly the mountains of Scotland, the Peak District, and in the northwestern part of Wales. And these warnings will no doubt spread to lower ground south and east over the course of this evening. So you can see this big band that's going to bring a lot of wintry weather overnight. It's going to be the leading edge that's going to have the coldest conditions and the snowiest conditions, which will later on turn to rain. But further south, that's where those the snowiest areas are. But further north in Scotland, extremely cold overnight, -10 possible in some parts of northern Scotland. Anywhere that's out of the snow will be very cold. Wednesday during the day, then look at the temperatures. It'll be very key as to whether this will be rain or snow for where you are during the day on Wednesday. In Scotland, just a small band there moving through Orkney, 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, getting up to around 4 degrees in the southwestern part of Scotland, and some precipitation there further east. That's probably not going to be very snowy though. Ireland mostly clear after the band moves through very quickly during the morning hours, but they'll get a lot of snow. And in the southern part of England and Wales, you can see those temperatures really struggling to get up, so some locations may get snow all day long. Other places it will turn to rain relatively quickly throughout the day. But you can see there those temperatures right on that threshold as to whether it will rain or snow usually. Generally it tends to be about 1 or 2 degrees, no guarantee of course unless it's below freezing. But you can see there's still plenty of precipitation sweeping through very quickly throughout the day on Wednesday. Not much wind associated with that, curiously, and you can see there, you can see the stream of that cloud and some breeziness that's coming in with it, but not very strong winds at all. The rest of Wednesday, that line starts to clear and the next one starts to come through, just about reaching the coast of Ireland. This one's even more potent, -9 again in the northern part of Scotland there under clearer skies. And then this big area comes in from Ireland into the more further north in England and Wales, and lots of snow will be falling over those areas as well. Obviously more likely on higher ground where it's colder. Looking at Scotland though, temperature struggling again, 2 to 3 degrees, so it will be mixed precipitation there. The southern part of Scotland, mostly near the border, will have the highest chance of winter weather. Looking across England and Wales and Northern Ireland there, temperatures are marginal once again. Further east it will turn to rain quicker, further west it will happen a little bit later on, but behind it lots of mild weather coming in. 12 degrees in southwestern Ireland there, and 11 degrees creeping into the southwest of England, not far away from that 3 area there in the southwestern part of Wales. So it really moves through very quickly, and lots of mild weather on the southern side of this next system, and on the northern side still extremely cold. And getting windy there as well. This one does pack some winds there moving into Ireland. Tropical storm force, as we say on the main channel, I'm used to saying that, but gale force is what it should be in our area there, moving through into Northern Ireland in the late evening. Friday morning, this band continues to move through, and a cold night again, so once again we could see some of that turn to snow overnight for northern England, and then it pushes through on Friday. Through the rest of the day it starts to warm up again, and by the end of Friday all snow will be starting to melt, at least because precipitation will have been turned to rain, or you may be getting clearer skies further south in southern England and Wales there, getting up to 9 degrees in London, so temperatures are on a quick rebound, but further north remaining chilly with highs of only 3 in Scotland. That's a crazy update there, very quick and frantic, but there we have it, the next 3 days in a nutshell.